In 2026, the AIO cooler market is more crowded than ever, but only a few options are actually worth your money. In this video, I'll break down the top 7 AIO coolers of 2026 that truly stand out for performance, low noise, durability, and overall value. This list is based on real user feedback and proven thermal performance, and you'll find all the product buying links in the video description. If this video helps you make a smarter buying decision, subscribe now for in-depth tech reviews, honest comparisons, and no-nonsense recommendations. Don't forget to comment below and tell me what topic or product you want to see next. I'll cover it in my next video. Let's get started.
Number 7. MSI MPG CoreLiquid P13. A compact all-in-one AIO cooler made for clean builds, strong cooling, and a modern gaming setup. When you look at this cooler, the first thing you notice is how clean it feels. MSI routes all pump power and display cables through the sleeved tubes, so the cooling head stays completely wire-free. The new full-plane copper base removes traditional screw holes, improving watertight sealing and long-term reliability. The 2.1-inch LCD screen shows real-time system stats, custom animations, or personal visuals, working like a small system display. Cycloblade 9 fans push powerful airflow with high static pressure while staying quiet, and ARGB Gen 2 lighting adds a sharp gaming look. The uni-bracket makes installation simple on both Intel and AMD platforms, with full support for Intel LGA 1851 and AMD AM5. This AIO cooler is best for gamers and PC builders who want strong cooling, a clean design, and easy installation.
Number 6. Corsair Nautilus 360 RS. A high-performance all-in-one cooler built for strong cooling, low noise, and simple installation. This cooler is designed for users who want stable temperatures without extra noise. Corsair uses a high-flow pump that keeps coolant moving efficiently while staying extremely quiet at around 20 dBA. The convex cold plate comes with pre-applied thermal paste, improving contact with the CPU and making installation quicker and cleaner. RS-120 fans deliver powerful airflow with high static pressure to push air through the radiator, while air guide technology and magnetic dome bearings help keep noise and vibration low. Cable management stays clean thanks to easy daisy-chain fan connections that plug into a single 4-pin PWM header. It supports Intel LGA 1851 and 1700, along with AMD AM5 and AM4 platforms. Best suited for gamers and PC builders who want quiet operation, reliable cooling, and a clean build. Number 5. NZXT Krakan Elite. A premium liquid cooler made for powerful performance and eye-catching visuals. This cooler stands out with NZXT's custom turbine pump, pushing high coolant flow and pressure to handle even heat-heavy CPUs while staying quiet. The large 2.72-inch IPS LCD looks sharp with 640 by 640 resolution, smooth 60 Hz motion, high brightness, and rich colors, making system stats, images, or animated content look impressive. It supports GIFs and images, and even connects with platforms like Google Photos and Spotify, while the RGB LED ring syncs perfectly with on-screen visuals and other RGB gear. Installation feels simple thanks to pre-applied thermal paste, a single breakout cable, and tool-free brackets for the latest Intel and AMD sockets. The RGB core fan completes the look with strong airflow and clean cable routing. Best for enthusiasts who want strong cooling with a standout display. Number 4.
Lain Li HydroShift II. A smart liquid cooler that pairs a vivid round display with multiple control modes. Think of a cooler that makes customization simple. Its 2.1-inch round IPS LCD, 480 by 480, shows coolant temperatures, animations, or short MP4s. Offline mode lets you adjust LEDs and the screen with the rotatable cap. Wireless mode uses the L wireless controller to change themes and lighting while syncing with other Lain Li wireless devices. Streaming mode connects via USB so L Connect 3 can personalize the screen. It supports MP4, GIF, and static image playback. The sliding tube clamp aligns tubes for a tidy build and can be removed for tighter fan-to-motherboard clearance. Tubing uses server-grade corrugated construction for improved bendability and long-term durability. It provides vivid visuals, intuitive control, and tidy tubing, ideal for PC builders wanting a striking display, flexible control, and tidy tubing.
Number 3. Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro, a compact cooler focused on quiet, efficient thermal performance. This cooler uses a contact frame tailored for Intel LGA 1851 and LGA 1700 to spread pressure evenly, improving heat dissipation and prolonging CPU life. Native offset mounting moves the cold plate toward the CPU hotspot for efficient transfer. Arctic's P12 Pro fans offer higher speed and quieter operation at low RPM, keeping temperatures consistently stable under load. An integrated PWM-controlled VRM fan lowers regulator temperatures during heavy tasks. Radiator fan PWM cables are routed inside the tubing sleeve, so only a single visible cable reaches the motherboard, keeping builds tidy and manageable. Ideal for builders and gamers who want reliable cooling, low noise, and neat cable management. Number 2. Cooler Master Atmos 2, a high-performance AIO focused on VRM cooling, durability, and easy installation. Precision VRM cooling cuts temperatures by up to 10.2 degrees C across key parts, while a patented dual-chamber design raises water pressure to hit CPU hotspots for Ryzen 9 and Ultra i9 chips. Built from PPS and fiberglass, it withstands extreme heat cycles. Setup is quick with pre-installed ARGB fans and a streamlined mounting system for AM5, AM4, LGA 1851, and LGA 1700. LGA 1851 offset brackets can lower core temps by about 4 degrees C. Internal cable routing and a single fan cable keep the build tidy, and 2 magnetic top covers let you switch styles instantly. Ideal for high-end builders and overclockers who want stable cooling and clean looks. Number 1. ROG Strix LC III 360. A striking AIO built for powerful cooling and signature ROG style. The new water block rotates 360 degrees and shines with 10+ aura lighting effects, while an Acetec cold plate and Gen 7 V2 pump deliver serious thermal headroom. Premium ROG ARGB fans move lots of air with optimized acoustics and 0 dB mode for quiet periods. Reinforced sleeved tubing improves durability and keeps the loop tidy. Installation and styling match ROG motherboards for a cohesive build. If you want top-tier cooling with bold, customizable lighting, this is made for enthusiasts, ROG fans, and extreme overclockers as well.